Kind of person that doesn't love eating pasta, or you don't just love it, watch this video. I'm going to show you how you can make delicious vegetable pasta. You will love it and you are going to like it. Vegetable pasta. So this is my prompt. I'll be using hot dog. This is turkey and chicken. I have my bonnet pepper here, green bonnet pepper, and have my onion and my fresh pepper. These are all the ingredients. I will be introducing you to the rest later. Okay. Allow you to, get ready a little bit before adding this ingredient. I'm going to be adding allow you to fry a little bit. To have bonnet pepper. I'm not going to add much. And a little bit of onion. Then I'm going to stir them all together.
It's a beautiful world. You are beautiful, don't live precious you are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up. Search no more cause already got the best. Make up tutorial, it dey for you. Lifestyle blogging, it dey for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Everything dey for you. Subscribe, subscribe, tell your friends, make them join us, tell your friends, make they join us, so you never hear the gist, so you never get something. Remedy for skincare, vlog and food, that is what I give you. Clement, treasure got you. Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some good vibe. Energy too full. I got you, I got you. At the same time, I go love you. I no go back.
So the food is ready. You can see how it looks so yummy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.